Ira Epstein of Linden Associates with your morning flash update for this Wednesday, and we are now at the 22nd of May 2019, 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Well, the stock market started off lower. It's had a bounce back just recently. We're seeing that the energy markets, bad numbers out of both the EIA and API, putting some weight on these markets right now. A lot of talk, too much production. A lot of talk, maybe there's a pullback in demand off of all that's going on between China and the U.S. We're getting a little bit of a correction here in the beans to the upside, but you're giving up on the wheat and the corn. The government has said that they're going to clarify their farm aid package tomorrow, so we'll get an idea what the farmers get out of that. If you take a look at the metals, copper taking it on the chin as one should expect. This Chinese-U.S. trade war, copper, 50% of the world's usage is in China. If they can make up for all the things that they're going to lose in world trade with the U.S., great. But otherwise, that market's under a lot of pressure. I think these are approaching a couple of year lows, in fact, in price. Bonds and notes continuing to get more of a bid as traders are concerned with what is going on. Now, right now, literally as I'm putting this out, Treasury Secretary Mnuchin is testifying before the House Financial Services Committee. It's like putting your neck on a guillotine. I mean, all they want to do is chop them up, go after the administration, every single one. It's unbelievable. Watch it and you'll see what's going on. The thing that I liked what he said, I didn't like it or not, but the information that was most compelling to me was he doesn't see the trade negotiations moving forward over the next month and a half. China's ambassador says that it's the U.S. that is the problem. And we are the ones that are making the changes in what we thought was agreed to. Not them. They were always on board with what they knew. Retail sales in Canada, powerful number, up 1.1% over the previous month, and that's way beyond what the expectations in that market were. Here's something interesting. The American Chamber of Commerce is saying that almost half of its members operate in China, report seeing non-tariff retaliation. So they're getting pushed out one way or the other. The group noted that 41% of the group's respondents say they are considering or all have already moved operations outside of China. So this is taking an impact. The Trump administration today said they're now considering sanctions very similar to Huawei to put on the monster surveillance firm Hikvision. So these wars are not over. They keep picking up, and there's nothing friendly about that in many of these markets. We'll have to see just where this all is going to go. One of the things you use in markets like this are technical indicators on your charts. And we've got volumes 1 and 2 of your Guide to Technical Indicators. Talks about the different type of charts, the number of chart patterns, trend lines, how they're drawn, their importance, moving averages, how different traders use them, oscillators, MACD, stochastics, and so on. How to use spreads. What do they tell you in the marketplace? Then, of course, you get the Elliott, the Gann theories, price-time relationships, the Elliott wave principle itself, options primers for you, money management, 21 successful trades that Chicago Mercantile Trade puts out. Gives you an idea of how those work. We put it all together in these guide to indicators for you. All you need to do is give us a call. They're free, by the way. Go to our website. You'll see our carousel of free offers. Choose from what you want there. You can click up here. If you're watching me on YouTube, it'll take you to that carousel. I'm Ira Epstein. See you later this morning. Well, actually, later this afternoon at the end of the day videos. I'm ahead of myself there. Have a good trading day.